Morning. It's what is it? It's 6 o'clock. We're off to Derby near the football ground. It's just getting light now, so brilliant. Not been to this one before. It's the first Carboot of the season. It's not on every week, so let's give it a try. Come on, let's go. Right, next day, I'm back under my carport, so mind the mess. It's our woodworking channel. So what did we pick up and what did I think? Well, I went to Derby Arena, so it's at the Pride Park, so it's a Derby football stadium. It was tiny. There weren't that many sellers there. I only really bought off free, and it's about once a month there, so I don't think I'll be going back. Although it were flat, as you can see on video, it were flat, it were lovely. Not going up hills like that. So what do we buy? First item I picked up was a weird fish. It's like waffle cardigan, so it's ladies 14. I'm showing you these first because my sister's bought them, so she wants these. That one. The same seller. It's another weird fish shirt. I quite like this and I'd have kept it if Kim had tried it. So that's that one. Just had the North Face t-shirt. Nice pattern on that, isn't it? What do you think? It's like a polar bear. We've got some Turkey laundry joggers, small, colour wave. Had those as well. super dry sweatshirt. It's just quite thick. Navy, unisex. Someone asked me, do you know what super dry? I struggle because you can't tell whether it's man or woman. But that's a nice sweatshirt. Plain one, she's had that. T-shirt I picked up, on my hair's all over the place. It's that design. Good condition. She's had that. I think I put this in the wrong pile. This was from last week's. It's a guest t-shirt. But again, it's a lovely design. And then we picked this up. There were a lady there and she's selling stuff. She got about 3 or 4 rails and it's all that really good stuff. But it was expensive. It was a lot more than I normally pay a Carboot. However, they're all good names, as you'll see. So I might have paid 10 quid an item or whatever on some of them. When you worked it out over all of them, I spent under £5 an item. But that's why I got some t-shirts cheap somewhere else. So, but I'm going to make 10-15 on most items. That's a super dry coat. I said that for a son. That's that one. Right, back to the ones I can now sell. It's an All Saints shirt. I love this. It's got like pearlised buttons. I think it's actually a woman's. But it says extra large. I don't know. What do you think? Look. And the buttons on there. That's a really nice shirt. I love that. That's All Saints. Oh, this one's nice. So this is All Saints as well. But it's a size 10. It's a shame. Like a cotton dress. Check dress. But that one nice. I'll say they weren't cheap, these. However, I didn't have any option there. A Gant shirt. Like a candy stripe colour. I thought it's nice for summer. No, a pair of jeans or a pair of shorts and rolled up sleeves going out. That'll do. This I love. I wish it fitted me, but it doesn't. It's a Levi's dress. Oh, can't get it out. Can you see that? It's a Levi's dress. I really like that one. But again, it's a size small or 10. It's way too small for me. Jesus, them days are long behind me. Super dry jeans. Again, most of them are in excellent, absolutely excellent condition. Another pair of jeans. These ones are white stuff. Label on back. Like I said, really good condition. Hob skirts, canvas skirt, round. I know they're like, I did pay up for these, but there's profit in them. This was one of the other sellers and it's a James Pringle, like a bomber jacket. So I've got that one. I think it's just plain t-shirts, but I have noticed the mark on that. Plain t-shirt. And a bit of a weird one next. It's a fishing coat. Like a gilet. Bit of fishing. Champion. From a different seller, so I didn't pay 10 quid for this one. Little pockets and stuff on there. Oh, that'll do. Men like fishing, God knows why, but they like fishing. Maybe to get away from the wives, I don't know. Perhaps Billy's going to take it up. Just a plain t-shirt. Well, it's not a plain t-shirt, it's Detroit. These are just going to be cheap items, stick on my shop. I like this one. Again, I'm not sure if it's a man or a woman's. It's Jules. It says large on it. The reason I'm thinking it's woman's, pink. But who knows? Men wear pink these days. Gone are the days when you could tell what a man or a woman wear. It's lovely. It's got a little bit of dirt on back, so she did reduce that one for me. And the dirt's because it's fell off a rail where she is when she's on grass. So I'll get that out. That down. Next up is it's another Jules. This is a dress size 18. Big one. Just a plain t-shirt on my dress. Quality of that Jules stuff, it's really nice quality. You can feel it. That one. This one I love. Again, it's only a small size, but it's a Hobbs trench coat. Hobbs look on the label. But that's quite nice. And that worth 10 quid. This should got hung up over a van. And again, it's something I'd wear if it fit me. It's a, what is it, Bowden. How pretty that is. And sit back. I really like that. I need the steamer, my daughter's got it. She's at uni in Durham. And she took my steamer with me 2 years ago, and steamer thing. I need it back. She's done this year. She's coming home. Yay! This one's Farrah. Bomber jacket. Do you call them bomber jackets? Well, bomber jackets. And then I've got a Barber jacket. It's a size large. Like kind of quilted padded, but not the normal crisscrossy. Needs a wash. That's that one. Another pair of jeans. This was from an old guy. Paid 4 quid for these. Crosshatch. Are they still relevant? They used to be. Got some crosshatch jeans anyway. Really good condition. They don't look like they've been worn. This is a bit of a weird one. I can't say the name. It's a Bleu d'Azur skirt. Bit different. And I've got a Rockport shirt, short sleeve shirt. Okay, so you can tell the ones I got from the lady because they're all the designer ones. The t-shirts obviously didn't. That's just a Brooklyn t-shirt. But it'll be alright. There's another t-shirt here. Bag print on it. It cleared his patch up anyway that he's got. This one's nice as well. This is a 14. And it looks like Coast. But it's been crossed out. Whether that's been in reduced section when it was bought in a shop, I don't know. But this is a really nice look. But it's where you wear these things to these days. That's what. And I like fat face, you know I like fat face. That's a really nice, it's quite a heavy shirt. Logo on the back. I like that. Picked up one pair of shoes. These are Scarpa. Just need a clean on the bottom. But they normally go for about 20 odd quid. I paid £5 for them, so that'll do. And then I picked up 3 packages. I haven't brought my scissors so I can get in them. These are from Vinted. Oh, 2 sachet carrier bag. Carrier bag worth 10p. Ah, yeah. These are Skechers, the size 11s. Memory foam. They're a bit different. Slip-ons, men's. In good condition. And that one last. The other one is in a carrier bag. Did you buy off Vinted? Get yours coming in carrier bags. It's in a box. It's in a Nike box as well. And that one. Oh. Nike trainers. They look alright, but again, wears alright on bottom. Need a clean. That'll do. Not very big ones, either they? Don't know, I'll have a look, but they're not big. That's my 2 packages off Vinted. This one's a return. And then I said I sent them out last week. He said they've got an hole in them. Let's have a look. They were olives for jeans. Yeah, I'll see. Right. Back pocket, where the problem was. It was fraying. But look, I think she's opened packet and caught them because it's like ripped across it now. It's either that or they're too small for her and she's ripped them getting them on, but that doesn't look like. It definitely wasn't there before. I think it's been cut into with a knife, look. Oh well, they can go in the bin. I just wanted them back to see, you know, just in case. So, that's my car boot done. Another one ticked off. So, if you enjoyed this, they will get better, promise. Hit the like, and I'd love it if you subscribed. I think I've got 48 subscribers, and I do appreciate each and every one of you. So I'm going to get the other half on the videos as well. So we'll do it together, going around car boots and stuff. And see if you like that, let me know. Anyway, till next time. Love you and leave you. I'll go and switch you off. See you later.